Okay, so let us see how we can write the commands for the digit 3. Suppose my turtle is here, head is facing on the upward side as you can see. So I will give the command right 90. You can see the command on the red box. So my turtle head has moved right side. Further I will give the command as forward suppose 50. It is not showing anything, so I will delete it. I will again give the command as forward 20. So you can see it has moved to 20 step forward. I will zoom in to show you where the turtle head is. So you can see the head of the turtle where it is. Again I give the command as right 90. So you can see the turtle head has come down. Again I will give the command as forward 20. So you can see this structure has formed. This is the head of the turtle. Okay, the turtle has gone down. Again I give the command as right 90. Let us see where the head is now. So you can see the head of the turtle, where the head of the turtle has moved to the right 90 side. Again we give the command as forward 20. So you can see where it has moved. Okay, head of the turtle, you can see it here. Let me zoom in and show you. Again I give the command as, now I cannot go further here. I will have to move backward. So I will have to give the command backward 20. So when I give the command backward 20, you can see my turtle has come backward, but his head is in the right direction only, in the straight direction. So I will give the command as left 90. So you can see the turtle head has moved this side. Again I will give the command as forward 20. Okay, so you can see the turtle head, it has moved forward. Again I give the command as left 90. It is moving that side, so I will delete this command. Right 90 I will do. So you can see the head of the turtle is moving this side, move this side. Again I will give the command as forward 20. My turtle is moved 20 step forward. Now which command we have given? Right 90, forward 20, right 90, forward 20, right 90, forward 20, backward 20, left 90, forward 20, right 90, forward 20. Now let us see which shape has formed. This shape has formed when I have given that command. So you can do this in a copy, and this how we do. Instead of forward 20, you can write forward 50. Like I have not used forward 50 here because when I was using forward 50, you have seen that the entire line could not be seen. That's why I have used forward 20, which is less than 50. But in the logo program, original logo program, you can use forward 50. So instead of forward 20, you can write forward 50. So you can give the command as right 90, forward 50, right 90, forward 50, right 90, forward 50, backward 50, left 90, forward 50, right 90, forward 50. Instead of 20s, you have to write 50. That is the only difference you can do in original logo window. Otherwise, everything is same. Only in place of 20, you have to write 50. That's it. And you will get this shape. I hope you understand. I have shown you the head of the turtle also when it was moving whichever side. So you might have understood it.